Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. In this video, we'll delve into the world of ceramic coatings, exploring their advantages in protecting your vehicle's paint, enhancing its shine and offering long-lasting durability. We'll uncover the science behind ceramic coatings and highlight how they can shield your car from environmental elements, scratches, and UV rays while maintaining a sleek and glossy finish. Join us as we break down the perks of ceramic coatings and their role in preserving your car's appearance and value. The benefits of ceramic car coating explained. Are you looking for ways to protect and enhance the appearance of your car? Ceramic coating might be the solution you've been searching for. In this post, we will explore the numerous advantages of ceramic coating for your vehicle. From long-lasting protection against environmental damage to the ease of maintenance and the enhancement of your car's glossy finish, ceramic coating offers a range of benefits that make it a worthwhile investment for car owners. What is ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is a liquid polymer that is applied to the exterior of a vehicle. It is composed of silicon dioxide, which is derived from natural elements such as quartz and sand. This composition creates a transparent layer that chemically bonds with the vehicle's factory paint, creating a protective surface. Definition and composition. Ceramic coatings are formulated using advanced nanotechnology, allowing the tiny particles to fill in the smallest pores and irregularities on the vehicle's surface. The result is a smooth and hydrophobic layer that repels water, dirt, and other environmental contaminants. This protective coating serves as a barrier between the vehicle's paint and potential damaging factors, such as UV rays, acid rain, and bird droppings. How ceramic coating works. Once applied, the ceramic coating cures to form a strong and resilient bond with the vehicle's paint. This protective layer enhances the gloss and depth of the paint while also providing long-lasting protection. The hydrophobic properties of the coating make it easier to clean the car as water and contaminants bead up and slide off the surface. Additionally, the chemical resistance of ceramic coating helps prevent oxidation and fading of the paint, keeping the vehicle looking newer for longer. By incorporating nanotechnology, ceramic coating achieves a level of protection that traditional waxes and sealants cannot match. This advanced form of vehicle protection provides durability and ease of maintenance, making it a popular choice for car enthusiasts and owners looking to preserve the appearance and value of their vehicles. Advantages of ceramic coating. Ceramic coating offers a range of benefits that make it a popular choice for car owners looking to protect and enhance the appearance of their vehicles. Superior protection. Ceramic coating provides a durable shield against environmental contaminants, UV rays, and oxidation. It acts as a barrier, safeguarding the car's paint from bird droppings, acid rain, and other harmful substances. This protection helps to maintain the luster of the paint and prevents premature fading. Enhanced aesthetics. One of the key advantages of ceramic coating is the enhancement of the car's appearance. The coating creates a deep, glossy finish, intensifying the color and shine of the vehicle's paint. This not only gives the car a showroom-quality look, but also makes it easier to maintain its pristine appearance. Easy maintenance. With ceramic coating, cleaning your car becomes a breeze. The hydrophobic nature of the coating repels water and dirt, making it difficult for contaminants to adhere to the surface. This results in less frequent washing and a reduced need for waxing, saving time and effort while keeping the car looking immaculate. Cost-effectiveness. While the initial investment in ceramic coating may seem significant, it pays off in the long run. The protection and preservation it offers can help prevent the need for expensive paint correction and restoration treatments. Additionally, the reduced maintenance requirements mean fewer visits to the car wash and less expenditure on cleaning products. This makes ceramic coating a cost-effective solution for maintaining the aesthetic appeal and value of your vehicle over time. Longevity of ceramic coating. Durability. Ceramic coating offers exceptional durability, forming a tough, clear layer that can withstand external threats such as scratches, chips, and swirl marks. Unlike wax or sealants, which degrade over time and require repeated application, ceramic coating bonds with the paintwork to provide long-lasting protection. Resistance to environmental factors. One of the key advantages of ceramic coating is its ability to resist environmental factors. UV rays, oxidization, and chemical contaminants pose a threat to a car's exterior, leading to paint fading and corrosion. Ceramic coating acts as a barrier, shielding the paint from these elements and maintaining its original color and shine. Retention of shine. The hydrophobic nature of ceramic coatings not only repels water and dirt, but also ensures that the car retains its shine for an extended period. This self-cleaning property minimizes the need for frequent washing and helps the vehicle look newer for longer, making it an ideal choice for car enthusiasts seeking long-term aesthetic appeal. Application of ceramic coating. Applying ceramic coating to your car is a meticulous process that can be performed by professionals or as a do-it-yourself DIY project. Both options come with their own advantages and considerations. Professional application process. When opting for professional application, trained technicians meticulously clean the car's exterior to remove any dirt, wax, or residue. They then apply the ceramic coating using precise techniques to ensure even coverage and durability. Professional application often comes with warranties and guarantees, providing peace of mind that the job will be done to a high standard. DIY options. For those inclined toward DIY projects, there are ceramic coating kits available for at-home application. These typically include the necessary materials such as the coating solution, applicators, and instructions. It's important to thoroughly research and follow the application instructions to achieve the best results. Please take a second to like our video. Thank you. DIY application offers the flexibility to work at your own pace and can be a cost-effective option for car enthusiasts looking to take on the project themselves. However, it's essential to manage expectations and set aside enough time to complete the process properly. Considerations before applying ceramic. Before applying ceramic coating to your car, it is crucial to ensure that the surface is thoroughly cleaned and decontaminated. This involves washing the car to remove dirt, grime, and any existing wax or sealants. Additionally, a clay bar treatment can be used to remove any embedded contaminants, creating a smooth surface for the ceramic coating to adhere to. Proper surface preparation is essential for achieving optimal results from the ceramic coating. Type of ceramic coating. When considering ceramic coating for your car, it's important to choose the right type of coating based on your specific needs. There are various ceramic coating options available, ranging from professional-grade coatings applied by professionals to consumer-grade DIY kits. Professional-grade coatings often provide longer-lasting protection and may come with warranties, while DIY kits offer convenience but may require more frequent reapplication. Maintenance requirements. After applying ceramic coating to your car, it's essential to understand the maintenance requirements to ensure its longevity. While ceramic coating provides durable protection against contaminants and UV rays, regular maintenance is still necessary to preserve its effectiveness. This includes routine washing using pH-neutral car wash soaps, avoiding abrasive cleaning methods, and periodic inspections to check for any signs of wear or damage to the coating. In summary, ceramic coating provides numerous advantages for your car, including long-lasting protection, enhanced appearance, and ease of maintenance. By forming a strong and durable bond with the car's surface, the ceramic coating acts as a shield against environmental contaminants and UV rays, ultimately preserving the vehicle's paint for an extended period. Moreover, its hydrophobic properties contribute to water and dirt repellents, making cleaning and maintenance effortless. Overall, investing in ceramic coating for your car is a practical and beneficial choice for long-term protection and aesthetic appeal. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.